Real estate investing for beginners in Canada. Real estate investing can be a lucrative opportunity for beginners in Canada. It offers the potential for long-term wealth accumulation, cash flow, and portfolio diversification. However, it is important to understand the fundamentals and navigate the Canadian real estate market effectively. This note provides essential tips and consideration to help beginners embark on their real estate investment journey. First, educate yourself. Before diving into real estate investing, take the time to educate yourself about the Canadian market. Understand the local laws, regulations, and tax implications related to real estate transactions. Consider reading books, attending seminars, or taking courses to build a strong foundation of knowledge. Second, define your investment goals. Establish clear investment goals that align with your financial objectives. Determine whether you aim to generate rental income, flip properties for quick profits, or build long term equity. Defining your goals will help you make informed decisions and focus your efforts accordingly. Third, set a budget. Determine your budget for real estate investment considering your available funds, borrowing capacity, and financial stability. Factor in additional costs such as property taxes, maintenance expenses, insurance, and any renovation or repair cost. Having a realistic budget will guide your investment choices and prevent overextending yourself financially. Fourth, location. In real estate investing, location plays a crucial role in determining property value, rental demand, and potential appreciation. Research and identify areas that exhibit strong economic growth and infrastructure development and a desirable living environment. Consider proximity to amenities, transportation, schools, and employment opportunities. Fifth, conduct through market research. Analyze the local real estate market by studying recent sales data, rental rates, vacancy rates, and trends. Access, assess supply and demand dynamics to identify areas where the demand outweighs supply, which could present potential investment opportunities. Sixth, evaluate investment properties. Thoroughly assess potential investment properties by considering factors such as purchase price, property condition, potential rental income, appreciation potential. Conduct property inspection, review financial statement, perform due diligence to ensure the investment align with your goal and budget. Seventh, financing options. Explore various financing options available in Canada such as mortgage, private lenders, or partnerships. Research and compare interest rates, terms, and conditions to secure the most available financing for your investment. 8. Build a team of professionals. As a beginner investor, it is essential to have a reliable team of professionals to assist you. This team may include a real estate agent, lawyer, mortgage broker, property inspector, and accountant. Their expertise will provide guidance, mitigate risk, and ensure smooth transactions. Ninth, consider property management. If you plan to invest in rental properties, evaluate whether you will manage them yourself or hire a professional property management company. Property management involves tasks such as tenant screening, rent collection, property maintenance, and legal compliances. Outsourcing this responsibility can alleviate the burden, ensure efficient operations. 10th, monitor and adapt. Real estate investing is not a one time activity, it requires ongoing monitoring and adaptation. Stay informed about market changes, regulations, and economic trends that may impact your investment. Regularly review your portfolio performance and make necessary adjustments to optimize your returns. Conclusion: real estate investing in Canada can be a rewarding venture for beginners. By arming yourself with knowledge, setting clear goals, and conducting thorough research, you can make informed investment decisions. Remember that patience, perseverance, and continuous learning are key to long term success in real estate market.